Oh, you didn't know? Your ass better call somebody. You see, it's me, the T-O-double-D, and I'm out here in the blizzard of 2010, up to my goddamn knees in snow. How about that? So, take a look around. I think that's my pickup under that snow there. But, what an enormous event, eh? There's my Nova. Poor thing. That's sad. Oh yeah. And we're just getting started. Stay tuned for more, because this is just getting started. And I'm gonna be out of my mind if you don't think I'm already am already. Peace out, homies.